In the beginning, there was no fear, no name, no border. There was the breath, silent and alive, and so ever present. From it were born the stars, from it were born the worlds, and in the hearts of men it placed its light. Man was not created to fear, but to enlighten. Not to obey, but to understand. Not to submit, but to awaken. Not to serve an external master, but to reveal within himself the light of his own birth. The breath, this most important message. He believed himself separated. He sought outside himself what lived within him. From oblivion were born fear, anger, contempt for one's neighbor. To enlighten, not to obey, but to understand. Not to submit, but to awaken. Not to serve an external master, but to reveal within himself the light of his own birth. Look within yourself, the kingdom is there. Listen in silence, the breath always speaks within you. What you seek outside yourself already breathes within your center. Return to yourself, and the source of breath will answer you that it wasn't too late. is who